Cassini, unlocking Saturn's secrets. Our solar neighborhood is an exciting place. One of the most fascinating and mysterious planets is Saturn, a cold gas giant with a radius about 9 times that of the Earth. To explore Saturn, NASA, ESA, and ISA joined to create an extraordinary mission called Cassini-Huygens. Cassini is one of the largest, heaviest, and most complex interplanetary spacecraft ever built. The mission is managed by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in the United States, where the orbiter was designed and assembled. The Huygens Titan probe was developed by the European Space Research and Technology Center. The complete Cassini-Huygens space probe was launched on October 15, 1997, by a Titan IVB Centaur. The flight to Saturn consisted of 3 parts and took 2,450 days in total. The first part was Cassini's flight to Venus for the first gravitational push. The gravity assist flyby is the use of the relative movement and gravity of a planet or other celestial body to change the path and speed of a spacecraft. In this case, Cassini used the gravity of Venus to acquire the necessary speed. 7 months after launch, the spacecraft passed Venus on April 26, 1998, at a range of 284 kilometers, gaining 26,280 kilometers per hour. The first flyby provided Cassini with enough momentum to travel all the way out to the asteroid belt. At the same time, Venus was moving at a natural pace to complete a yearly revolution around the Sun, and met Cassini again for the second push. With the momentum provided by 2 flybys, Cassini was ready to fly past the Earth and Jupiter to Saturn, almost 1 billion miles away. On August 18, 1999, the Cassini craft made a gravitational assist flyby of the Earth. It made the closest approach to the Moon and took a series of calibration photos. With these 3 gravity assist boosts, Cassini-Huygens finally had enough orbital momentum to reach the outer solar system. One last gravity assist maneuver from Jupiter was made on December 30th, 2000. During the Jupiter encounter, Cassini performed simultaneous observations of the planet with the Galileo orbiter. The craft took over 26,000 images and produced the most detailed global color portrait of Jupiter ever. Major findings of the flyby included observations of Jupiter's atmospheric circulation, a swirling dark oval of high atmospheric haze about the size of the Great Red Spot near Jupiter's North Pole, and the nature of Jupiter's rings. The flyby took 500 days and gave Cassini-Huygens the final thrust of energy it needed to project itself all the way to Saturn. The final part of the journey took 1,278 days. On July 1st, 2004, the Cassini spacecraft flew through the gap between the rings and finally achieved the orbit after a 7-year voyage. While cruising around Saturn in early October 2004, Cassini captured a series of images that have been composed in this large global natural color view of Saturn. Cassini released the Huygens probe on December 25th, 2004. On January 14, 2005, it landed on the solid ground of Titan. The orbiter's primary mission ended on June 30th, 2008. It is now on the Cassini Equinox mission, seeking to answer new questions raised in Cassini's first years at Saturn. This was again extended in February 2010, with the Cassini Solstice mission continuing until 2017.